Welcome to your Moodle mastery journey here at IBS University. Feeling overwhelmed by the Moodle interface at IBSU? Don't worry, help is here. This video tutorial series, Conquer Moodle, is designed to empower you to create engaging learning experiences for your students. We've broken down the learning process into 4 easy-to-follow modules this week, focusing on the most essential Moodle skills. The first 2 modules will be delivered in videos, while the last 2 modules will be covered in a hands-on workshop setting. Module 1 is Moodle Interface Refresher. We'll take you on a guided tour of our Moodle learning interface. Whether you're a seasoned educator or a curious newcomer, this module will ensure you're comfortable with the course structure used by IBSU, the lecturer's dashboard, editing course settings, and even customizing the layout if required. Module 2 is building a well-organized course in Moodle. It dives into the art of structuring your course for optimal student success. We'll cover everything you need to know about organizing topics, sections, and subsections, managing users, roles, and permissions, ensuring a smooth and intuitive learning journey for your students. The next modules, 3 and 4, will be in a workshop, which will focus on adding engaging content activities and resources for interaction. Join us on this journey to Moodle mastery. By the end of this series, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to build dynamic and engaging courses for your IBSU students. Before you get started, it's important to familiarize yourself with the layout and format used across all our units in our Moodle learning site. This format, previously approved by the head of schools, ensures a consistent look and feel, making it easier for students to navigate and find information. Once you log in to your learning site and open a unit, you'll see some helpful information at the top of the page. This includes the number of students enrolled, how many have completed the unit, how many are in progress, and how many haven't started yet. During the workshop, we'll show you how to structure your course content in a way that can influence these numbers. Encourage more students to complete the unit. Let's get started editing your unit. There's a pre-built template waiting for you. All you need to do is replace the description with your own unit's details. Here are the icons that you need to modify in this section. Unit Information Guide, Staff Contact. Details, Timetable. Remember to have only these 4 icons in the General section. Others need to be removed. Next up, Unit Assessments. This section gives your students an overview of all the assessments they'll need to complete for your unit, including a breakdown of how much each one is worth. You can also add links to all the assessments, except the final exam, right here. If an assessment isn't quite ready yet, no worries. Just click the Hide button in the Edit section to keep it hidden until it's prepared. Moving on to Unit Resources. This is where you can share any additional materials students might need for your unit. If you have any resources or references from previous versions of the unit, you can easily zip those files together and upload them here for easy access. Let's move on to the Unit Evaluation link. Here's what you need to do. Update its description. Feel free to personalize the description for your specific unit. Make it clear to students what the evaluation is about and how their feedback is valuable. Create a 2 URL activity that will link the Week 5 and Week 10. Survey questions prepared by the Audit Department. This is urgent, so it has to be completed as soon as possible. Create 2 activities as follows. The first URL activity will be the link to the Week 5 survey questions provided by the Audit Department. The second URL activity is a link to the Week 10 survey questions provided also by the Audit Department. The attendance section is a section dedicated to tracking attendance in this unit. To set it up, simply open the attendance link, click Add Season. Once the link is open, add your specific class schedule for this unit. This will allow either you or Miss Alu, our academic staff member, to easily record daily attendance right here in Moodle. It's important to get this done as soon as possible if you haven't already. Now let's dive into the topics. Each topic, starting with topic 1, will have a clear structure. Topic name and objectives. This will tell you exactly what the topic is about and what you'll learn by the end of it. Learning materials. This section is where you need to learn the topic. It includes the following: lecture notes and slides. This could be a PowerPoint presentation, PPT, notes created with H5P, or any other reference materials provided to students. Activities. Here you'll find all the information and links for the activities students need to complete for this topic during the week. Readings. Want to learn even more? This section provides links to various helpful resources, including required reading. These are essential readings needed to complete the topic. Supplementary reading. These are additional resources that can enhance topic understanding. Useful references. This might include websites, YouTube links, or any other online resources students might find helpful. Reminders. Keep on track with any important reminders related to this specific topic. They'll be listed here so you don't miss a beat. This clear structure will help you find the information you need quickly and easily for each topic throughout the course. You can contact DL Team to assist you if you are not familiar on how to do this format. A workshop will also be conducted to provide you tips and tricks on how to accomplish this.